The TVS XL 100 Comfort is a versatile, entry-level moped designed for practicality and efficiency. Engineered for everyday commuting, it features a robust 100cc engine that delivers reliable performance and excellent fuel efficiency. With a comfortable seat and a lightweight build, it ensures a smooth ride over various terrains. The XL 100 Comfort boasts a durable chassis, making it suitable for both urban and rural environments. Its minimalist design includes practical features such as a large storage compartment and easy-to-read instrument cluster, ideal for learners and daily riders. The TVS XL 100 Comfort is a reliable companion for all your transportation needs.